What's up guys? The FN P90, originally developed by FN-Herstal in the early 90s. This compact bullpup style weapon was designed from the ground up to make sure that ambidextrous use was key as a design feature through the entire development. Right and left-handed shooters can switch between left and right-handed firing positions without any sort of disruption. And that's because the casings fall vertically down through the P90 upon ejection. The high-speed 5.7 by 28 millimeter rounds were designed for this platform to give you an ultra-high velocity round that kept its trajectory flat through its flight, giving special forces crews and law enforcement an ideal, compact, long-barreled, bullpup-style weapon that functioned flawlessly on the field. Most notably featured in movies and television productions like Blade and Stargate, this weapon was made most popular by the video game series Counter-Strike as one of the most formidable guns in the game. Now these Airsoft FN-Herstal fully licensed P90s perfectly replicate the original symmetrical ambidextrous controls, also featuring a reinforced polymer frame and upper assembly with a full metal barrel. But there's one thing that makes these FN P90s stand out from every FN P90 in Airsoft ever before. These are gas blowback.